Hi everyone. Today I would like to do a short video to show you how to use the new paper cut centralized copier option for your Chromebooks. This will allow you to print from any copier right from your Chromebook, and I want to show you how to use that. There are two parts of this process. The first is sending your document to the copier, and the second is getting the document to print from the copier. For the first part, I have on the screen a test Google document. I will follow the same step as I always do when I want to print, and that is to click on the print icon. From the print window next to the destination, I will click the down arrow next to the default option and select See All to show all available copiers. You will only need to do this the first time you use PaperCut, as once you've selected the correct copier, it will then become one of your initial options. From this list of copiers, search for the Canon Follow Me copier. By using this copier, you will be able to print and copy from any of the other copiers. Click that option. Once you have selected this the first time, you will see that it shows up in your primary list where you can find it each subsequent time. Once you've selected the copier, click Print. The first time you do this on your device, you will then be taken to a login screen. Select the Sign In with Google option. This is important so that the copier will be able to recognize you when you arrive. Choose your school account if you are presented with multiple options, and select Allow Permissions. That's it. You've sent the document to the copier. The next part is to go to a copier to retrieve and print your document. Now that you've sent your document to the printer, you need to come to the copier in order to retrieve it. Now, you can use any copier that is networked in order to retrieve your document, but you will need to associate your account with the copier for it to know that it's you. You can do that in two ways, both of which require your Google credentials. Keep in mind that when you send a document to the printer, it will only remain there for 24 hours. So if you want to send it at the end of the day and then come in the next morning to print it, you can do that with no problem. But if you send it at the end of a day on Friday and come in Monday to print it, it will not be there and you'll have to resend it. There are two ways to log into the printer. One is manually, and the other is to authenticate your badge, both of which require your Google credentials, and I'll show you how to do both of those. If you don't have your badge with you, you can log in manually. When you first approach the copier, you will see the PaperCut login screen. If you want to enter your Google credentials in order to see your print jobs or to copy, you click Username, Password, click the username, and then manually type in your username, which will be your ACSC Gmail account. Then click the password button and enter your password. Then click OK. You can see that on the screen here it has my one document that I had sent to the printer in order to print. When I want to print that, I can simply press that and it will start the printing itself. If I want to just use the copier just to make copies, I will click Use Copier and it takes me to the copy features. Now I'll show you how to authenticate your badge. To the left of the screen, you will see a little icon here that shows your badge. The first time that you want to use your badge, you will have to authenticate that. And you only have to do this once and only from one printer. Once you do it in one printer, it will be authenticated in all printers. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to scan your badge. Notice that it says it's an unknown card because I've yet to authenticate this. I'll click Yes, that I want to associate it with my account. And I'll do the same process of username and password. You can see that my card has been associated with my user account. Press OK to proceed to the login screen and swipe my account to log in. Now when I swipe my card, it recognizes my account. There's my Google Doc that I had sent to the printer. I will click on that and click Print to cause the copier to print my document. So that's the process of setting up your Chromebook with the new PaperCut extension in order to send print documents to the PaperCut networked printers and retrieving those print jobs and using the copier. I hope that this is helpful to you. If you have any questions about the copiers or if you have any problems, contact your building tech. I hope this will streamline your printing and copying processes, and have a great second semester.